ebusiafo. Yemu wafa. Oh, sabe kachiremo. Yaba. TKO equipment. Yeba beshe. Infidie akasi. Ye bedi agro bebre. Why crado? Say ye the corner ya pakoshe. Infidie akasi bebre. Offer otuo. Yaba. Yeba besia ade. Are you ready? Yankwe. Why crado? Yankwe. Bebre ha. Anya. Ay ana wo haye fi. Eden na wa hey. Caterpillar. Ya de caterpillar ya die. Afidie. Ya ni? Wafa male ebenye ejuma mumra me kwa continue omo paya mame yehowa Bani kaka. Whoa, so huye. Enti mi cha me posa afi. Many so brime. They say you afidie way. Your friend your Uncle Milan. Eba betray. Obi aka say akwaba. Yes. Enti ye the kosro esro. Ye kosro. Oh. Obi na tabamu. Oh, eba form. Obi ne nsanimu. Tin. Alessa anyano. Fasa anyano. Alessa anyano. Oh. Yeah. Side. Afe, ya beko ni fa ni benkum. Adi beko ni fa eni benkum. Afe ochano ho. Ochano ho. Akosoro. No baba form. Oh. Afi, yeah, beko. Akwakosa. Yeah. Tim. Nice. Oh, yeah, Baba the fruit. Into Yanko. Oh, the fra. Hey, now when pra. Into Wutiaha. Bako. Now what some say. Now what fruit. Bako. What's so Habako say? Whoa. 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 Yeah. Wutiaswa. Ever call. Then him. Let me be a co-enim, let me be a co-echi, whom you say co-echi, a bam, a hobam mocane, Tino Wafa. Whoa. Akonya aboswono, na wabo, who the same say, click. No, I say ye, Akonya aboswo. Not what the same say, click. No way ye. No way ye. No way. Afi, ye bitchy, Ukueni, woo, no wakuachi, yea, Ukueni, woo, no wakuachi, yea, Ukueni, woo, no wakuachi, yea, Adi, eh, come on, woo, Afi, ye be sick, oh, and they say me, yeah, that's it. Bonse. I'm saying, you call and you call Efidie Efomtuo. You call Efidie Efomtuo. Why you can't do that? I say, you Baba Beshe engine. Ya na Efidie no emu akoma. Efidie na akoma anka. Your friend engine. It's the engine ni. Whoa. Oso pene kolo. Efidie na kuma. Eho. Eno nema. Efidie no ko. Na eye. Efidie no ye cover. Wani aje. Whoa. Let's start again.
The whole thing is undercarriage. This is the track pads.
Okay.
Off of that, and that's what gets you your grip when your dog goes down in the dirt, as you can see down here.
Okay.
This part here is called the rails.
Okay.
And this part here with the hook, that's the sprocket.
Ooh.
And it grabs a hold of the pins here, and then this goes forward. That's what makes it move.
Wow. It's the idea way, Efidie way, Nadia way, and then a swa caterpillar nina, and I didn't call say. It's I can tell you man,
Because it moves like that, it's why they call it a caterpillar. Moves like a caterpillar. Yeah. The way the tractors move on this undercarriage like this is the reason they call it a caterpillar, because it moves like a caterpillar would.
Whoa, so who caterpillar and until you see, and until I frame machine Efidie caterpillar. It's answer. That way, it will be say, oh, caterpillar. Yeah! So what's the idea? Yeah!
The whole thing is called an excavator.
Excavator.
But most people call it just a backhoe.
Okay.
That's old people like me. But the new deal is called hydraulic excavator, because everything moves off hydraulic cylinders.
Okay.
When I was growing up, that was a cable.
Oh.
And it ran mechanically. Now it's a hydraulic excavator. But as the boom goes up and down, this portion here is called the boom. It connects here. This is called the stick.
The stick. Abano.
And that connects to the bucket.
The bucket. Bucket, you know.
This is the money making end.
Oh, and then the mercy can be brave.
And we got different buckets, different sizes, that type of thing for it.
You want who do be brave.
But you either take it and dig a trench.
What to me the two I'm not can see it.
And a lot of it's to put pipe in.
Ebi won so ye de rubber ehihye they say the dey nsuo ekoye fie mu no.
Then you can either do that or you get it up close and you load it, grab it up, and put it in one of those trucks.
Ana ye de sa anya ye de ogu ye tipa truck yi kasiye mu pa.
Depending how far you go, one of these excavators can keep about 3 of those trucks running in a circle.
Oh. Afidie kesiye etimi sa anya gu tipa truck miensa mu mo ko eye adwuma wan sa. Caterpillar Efidie ne po adwuma pa adwuma esa say na dey gum say na dey gum say na akosisa anya bebre na dey onko na dey aba na be hye go say na omo dey aye kwan fe kwan bebre ye twi ye ka wo so nyina caterpillar yi ene anya ka na omo ye ni nyina. Wow! Adie ye kama pa. Yako.
Now this one's called a bulldozer.
Bulldozer!
And what you basically do is you take the machine, drop the dozer blade in, and just push the dirt.
Oh.
And push the dirt. And you can either you go down in it, push it up, or a lot of
times.
Does it
get like it's for the compact?
No, that's one of those with the roller in the front. That's the compactors.
Oh, okay.
You knock it down with this, and then that compacts.
Okay.
Go from there. But again, it's the same basis.
So like you turn down something though.
Well, yeah, tear down something, or it's used for demolition, but a lot of times it's used just to, like you dig out a pond, you make a pond with it.
Oh, okay,
you just start pushing down and push it up with the bond.
Oh.
Then, and sometimes they don't use it as much anymore. They would bring another machine in. I don't have any of these, a scraper, and they would pull out in front, and you hit the back of that machine with this, and it pushes that scraper forward, and the scraper loads up and takes off.
Oh.
And when you do it like that, the nickname for it is called push cat.
Push cart.
So it can be a push cat or a bulldozer.
Gotcha.
And if something's real heavy, let me show you this part. This is attached to the back. If you get in rock or something very hard, this is a ripper.
Oh.
I'll show you. This goes up and down. You put it in the ground, pull it forward, and it rips. Tears it up. Then you turn around and push the material up.
Oh.
So that's it from that.
I see.
This was not as much fun as the other one.
That's the other one.
Yeah.
Bulldozer. You see, bulldozer. You fidie kesiya. You di pia anya. You di pai abo. So ni mabo. Bro. You di pai abo akesiye. You di bue kwan akesiye. Bie kwan akesiye. Ti say the aircon no. Woko. Ofo nanim. Opeja okosro. Yeah. Adane no ho. Adane no ho. Sa abafom. Yeah. Not work. Yeah. Bulldozer. Ekosro. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa! Epia. Ebesa. Huh? Whoa! Akuso. Na abafom. What? Eto? Ekosro. Yeah! Oh. Epia. Mama. Edi enie. Anya afọ. The friend ateche. Mad. Ateche, yɛde ateche di agro, yɛde ateche esi dan. Yɛbɛtumi di ayɛ nneɛma bebree, yɛbɛtumi di ayɛ ebuduaba, ɛne calabash, ɛne apotoyura. Ateche ɛne aboɔ ɛna afrafra. Sɛ nsuo gu so a na ayɛ ateche. Nsuo gu so a na ayɛ ateche. Yay! Upia emfa ateche eniande. Ai, okofia. Why you say obe wo nsa. Sawati. Yo. Yes. Yeah, Nancy. Yeah, Nancy. Whoa! Ahuso we adie. Akokosra adie.
And this is a motor grader.
Ooh.
And what you do, this is the last one on the job. And it goes through, and with that, makes it smooth. The guy who runs this is the smartest guy on the job.
Wow.
Because it's so touchy to make it right. A lot of it's electronic now, but the old days, the best guy on the job.
Wow.
Usually that old man.
Not a grandfather, old guy.
Some of them. But you raise and tip this, and you just
gotta find how to find feel of it to get a level.
Because you gotta move up here to move down there.
Wow.
But a lot of the counties, that's what they use out on the country roads to keep those smooth. That aren't asphalt.
Asphalt.
You go through
Okay.
there. But that's
Nice.
two of them right there.
Whoa! Way and no more the fakwan so and my kwan no da so.
Tell me if he says something about old people running.
Tin yo. I could say yo. What the first say yo. Now my kwan no aye. Tin kwan no da so. Tin. Wow. When you decide you buy it, yay! Of our Utmo, many ajipa. Yeah. Tree, learning, headquarters, yay! I think which channel? Hey, my friend, my whole baby, a DNA. I don't know who saw ya, dear. Coco, now who saw ya, dear. Coco, why the name not bro fooding? Eh, yeah. Fire extinguisher. Ni chiri ni say Ejadum Efidie. Say eja eyo. No ba. Obefa. Wodum say. Wodum janina. Na hu so ya de. Koko. Na hu so ya de. Koko. Fire extinguisher. Your friend is saying Ojadum Efidie. Why are there? Where's your friend saying? Come back. Where's your friend saying? Come back. Okay. Come back. Where dear? Inside. In sopa ba eso. It's a saying. Ba kuna of Otuji Museum. We is a kaka. Na who saw ye? Tum. Na who saw ye? Tum. Na who saw ye? Akokosra dear. Yo, afi yan kan koba ye wo sa afidie so koba ne ye say. Azura. Bako.
This combines the dozer and the loader. Because it's on cat tracks.
Oh,
but it has a loader.
Like the bulldozer, right?
Bulldozer that is straight. This one, if you get in something that's soft and whatever, you use this one because you can pick it up and load it.
And load
that one you just push it around. This one you can load it up.
Okay.
But if you're on something hard, you use that one back there. It's on tires. If you're on something soft, use that. Or hard digging. So anyway, that's a crawler loader.
Wait, yeah, the sa anya egu baby bebre. Inti eko say who na awura anya na say na say anya na say who na ehwie sa na caterpillar no bulldozer etimi aba na ego say na say who na ehwie go say whoa esmo na fe wo na huso aya de Akokosra dear. Yay. What kind of dear we? Dadia enuna edik afidie no enante ekosi asa caterpillar yay mo my dear afi ye ko kan cover say ena ye wo e kan Bako. Mienu. Miensa. Enai. Enum. Ensia. Koba se ene wo caterpillar imu. Ensia. Koba ensia. Ene echi caterpillar no. Eko se. Koba se ene wo o papa ene o maame eka so. Koba se. Kokan na yenhye. Mo wa ya dear. Asi, ye kwa hibidi. Uhudi umechino. Bra. Me wo surprise no. Eya koba akesia pa na yehunu abontino. Eluna ya chishano. Ba ko. Mienu. Miensa. Enai. And so panty. I say, me hiri, never even saka. I say, me hiri, never even saka. Bako, mienu, miensa, enai. Bako, mienu, miensa, enai. Woo. And so papa. Na huso edien. Na huso edien. Tuntum. Na huso edien. Tuntum. I say, ya be kind. I can see it in our boom. Bako. Mienu, miensa, enai, enu, ensia, enso, enwache, 8 big tires. Ana, koba enwache. Bra, afi, ye kwa, esi beti ya fro, koba ni bia. Koba we, eye enketwa, bako, mienu, miensa, enai. Bako, mienu, miensa, enai. Na huso se yedie, tuntum black. Na huso yedie, tuntum black. Yeah, afi, ofa otu ebe fro. Why claro? Happy, Benaka. What are you? In 10 time, Kwan, a woman. When you want 10 time, in 10 time, Kwan, a woman, and 10 time, cobwebs. Oh, two, men cry now and call. Yeah, where's your man? Maybe Maya. Maybe I'll take it. Hey, better from. I was saying, really, a film. Yeah, can you go see do? You can't see do pet. Number film. Bako, mienu, miensa, enai, enum, ensia, enso, enwachi, enkro, enu. Tell me, Koba you sopa. Eno no mudichi caterpillar any afidie akesia ni nyina. Many ajepa. Afi. Yeah, betina se. My bre. Eye many just say ene money buy ebe share TKO equipment you afidie akese a omo de si dan e de akwan omo de si hospital omo de si yesuku dan ni ade na impuntu nyuma nyina enne me gidi say wasua bribi ankasa oh offer many
the birds. I need to hear the bird. Oh,
say obe subscribe
Yeah,
to your
birds coming
channel
up.
no na de dia you post video well who na wa share Madam Wase, Chi Learning Headquarters. Chi Learning Headquarters. Efomtuo Domina. Bye bye.
Abede AFG. Ika o per sete uweye ebio abede afega Ika o per sete uweye yankwe afe ni me abede brahma yento abede B D E F G H I K O P S T U W yeah why adio B D E F G H I K O P S T U W yeah why adio Abede AFG H Ika o per sete uweye ebio abede AFG H Ika o per sete uweye yankwe afe